told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes.
Welcome to Wales, everybody. This is my fabulous country, and Rose has no idea why I like to go to Thailand so much.
Welcome. Today I am at Beddegelert and I want to show you the room here because we have to stay here. It's tea night. We have got cereal for breakfast and
Oats, and that's porridge, that is.
coffee, milk cake, and the fish. Oh, inside is have a yogurt. It's very nice and orange. And we have the bed. It's very good for 2 people. There, bathroom is here. Oh wow, look at that. Very clean.
Not so bad.
And this one is, I think, this is for
There's a walk-in
the
wardrobe.
Wardrobe is very big.
A walk-in wardrobe. Alright. So if you argue with me, you can sleep in there tonight.
Yes. And we have a nice view there.
Right, let's have a look at the view.
We can see the mountain. Wow, look at that.
It's the Queen's Jubilee Bank Holiday weekend, and so it's very full. So we were lucky to find this place. It's £80 a night, 80, which is good value for a bank holiday weekend. But I think this is a good location because we liked this. When we came before, we liked Beddegelert. That's why we came again.
Yes. Okay, now we just take you go walk outside and check around this area. This is in front the room we stay. People sell coffee and breakfast, and this area is very nice town. There are shop, cafe, restaurant is very good. This area is very good for visit and easy for walk around.
I think we're staying in that yellow coach house over there, Rose. And this is our view. This is the back.
Now it's 4 o'clock and today it's raining. And Dave just take me walk around here.
And the graveyard, lots of dead people here. Look. Is it going to stop raining? Should I buy a bright yellow poncho, Rose? What do you think?
Not stop, love. You have to buy for the future. Look at that, Dave. Him scared wet now. Him have to go in the shop for buy poncho.
Poncho.
You buy is very nice color, love. Yellow.
So there we go. Wales can't get to me. I now have a yellow poncho. Do I look like a daffodil?
Yes.
So here we are in Beddegelert, which is a beautiful small town in Wales, small village really, and it's the Queen's Jubilee Bank Holiday weekend, so we've got 4 days off, so Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and so you see all the buntings out to celebrate the Queen. It stopped raining momentarily, so I've taken off my poncho, packed it back up, but I've got nowhere to store it on my person. Rose has only got a small bag, so this is what we do. In the hood. There we go. And nobody would ever know you're carrying a secret poncho.
Look the house people in here is have very nice view. You see the house people you want to stay here?
Yeah, it's a beautiful row of houses, isn't it? And look at the mountains just behind them.
This time when we come here, people is not too much. Because last time when we come, it's a lot of people. Today is look quiet.
Well, I agree. Although it's also still a bank holiday weekend, so maybe it's the weather. It was sunny all the way, wasn't it, until we got to Beddegelert.
Yeah, very nice walk, and you can hear the birds singing, and you can hear the water. Very good. I have to say, in this country, I don't believe about the weather. Sometimes it's sun, but sometimes it's rain. The video coming. The video.
Daffodil man.
This is very nice weather because when raining but not cold.
Welcome to Wales, everybody. This is my fabulous country, and Rose has no idea why I like to go to Thailand so much.
Guys, you can see this view is amazing.
Okay, so our friends who are staying up this way as well had booked a restaurant for us as a foursome to go and meet up, but unfortunately they're quite ill, so we're going to go and just check in with the restaurant and say, look, there's a reservation for 4, but there's only 2 of us, and I think in this rain, if they can do us some food there and then, we'll just stay in and stay dry, yeah?
Yes.
And then we'll just go and hide in our hotel room afterwards.
Okay, let's go because raining now.
It is pretty heavy rain now, isn't it?
Yes. In Beddegelert is have very sad story about the king killed the dog and have children. If you want to know sad story about that, you have to go look back my video because I make YouTube about that before. It's really sad.
Here I've got some goat's cheese bonbons. There's goat's cheese with some tomato chutney and a cucumber salad. So let's see. From my love first.
Really nice.
So here I've got chicken Valentine, which is chicken stuffed with chorizo, wrapped in Parma ham, with a cheese and leek sauce, Caernarfon cheese, and some potato. So should we give it a go? Really good, very nice.
And we have salad. And this is lamb. Look very good. Very nice. Raining.
Okay, here we are at the Ffestiniog Bistro. Just had a really nice meal. Still raining outside. It did stop raining just for a short time, but look, the heavens have opened again, so I'm just going to go back into daffodil mode. And now we're just going to walk home and hide, aren't we, Rose?
Yes.
Alright, see you tomorrow.
Good morning, guys. Today we just go to diving, go to meet the friend in him house.
After that, we're going on a train ride up, from, I think, Porthmadog. I think that's where the train goes. 2.5 hours on the train up to Caernarfon. 2 hours walking around the castle and the town. And then 2.5 hours back. I think it's going to be a very scenic train ride day.
Yes, let's go.
Welcome to North Wales, Rose. We're going on a train journey today down to Caernarfon. So we are here, Porthmadog, and we are going to Caernarfon.
What are we going to see along the way, Phil?
We're going to take this blue railway right through the foots of Snowdon. Here is Snowdon. Through Beddegelert, where you're staying. All the way to the coast.
Oh wow, interesting. Let's go.
Let's go.
After we stop the car in car park and now we look for breakfast because they don't have anything in the morning. We have 15 minutes for breakfast and the coffee and we sit here before go inside the train. And this is breakfast for them.
We're going on the Ffestiniog Railway. So we're at the harbour station in Porthmadog. Our friends are just going to go and sort out their tickets. And we'll be on our way on a steam train. So these are the tourist steam trains on a narrow gauge track. You can see here the track is very close together. And we're going to go and sit on one of these and enjoy the glorious views. We got special locals discount. It was about £41. I think usually it's about £50.
This is first time on the train, so exciting. I really like scenery in the UK. Everywhere is green and I can see the cow, the mountain and river and the ship is very nice.
What do you think of the train, Rose?
Amazing. I can see very clear and the view is amazing.
We do stop at Ffestiniog for the Caernarfon to Porthmadog train to pass us. Hopefully again, if we're on time, you can get off there and stretch your legs. Take photos of the incoming train. As soon as they're in and stopped, please get back on this train. Okay, have a lovely day. Thank you.
This is Mount Snowdon, which is the highest mountain in Wales. And I think second highest in the UK.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to try and pronounce the name of this train station. I believe it's Rydvi.
Rydvi.
Did I say it right?
Yep, that's pretty good.
Philip is actually a native Welsh speaker.
We're in Rydvi, halfway to Caernarfon.
Beautiful.
Right, Jerry, tell us about your childhood in Wales.
I never grew up in Wales.
This is where God was born, North Wales.
God's country.
It's Rydvi. If you look around, you might glimpse him today because it's a clear day.
I think I can see him over there. Well, that's exciting.
Picnic in the train.
Oh, look at that, Rose.
Very nice view.
Wow. Yeah.
I want to show you something when we go to train and hip have in the back. Everything. Let's why. Now the train stop and we have 2 hours for walk around. Let's go check around this town. The castle is really big.
Yeah, this is a huge castle.
Yeah. Near to the beach. Very nice view.
Yeah.
In this country, today is 10 degrees, but I can see people play jet ski and the boat is super cold. But I think people in this country is not cold, and around here is very nice. A lot of coffee and restaurant is very good area. Opposite to the castle this way is have small market. It look interesting. I really like to walk around and I want to see something is new. It's very good to walk around here.
Oh, I see.
Bookshop. This town is really beautiful and very nice because have market less long. I can show you around here and after that I just go sit somewhere for have coffee.
We've got a lovely table. We're having some afternoon scones and cream teas here. Just looking at the castle opposite us.
This is lovely holiday because you have beer. Yakita. After 2 hours now, we have to walk back to the train and go with the train again. What are you doing?
This is called refreshments.
When we go back.
A well-deserved drink for a day out in Caernarfon. Look at that. We have now completed our journey back to Porthmadog. 7-hour trip. I hope you enjoyed, Rose.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much guys for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and see you next video guys. Stay safe and healthy. Have a nice day. Bye bye.